Somerset, archaically Somerset Shire, is a county in southwest England which borders Gloucestershire and Bristol to the north, Wiltshire to the east, Dorset to the southeast and Devon to the southwest. It is bounded to the north and west by the Severn Estuary and the Bristol Channel, its coastline facing southeastern Wales. Its traditional border with Gloucestershire is the River Avon. Somerset is currently formed of 6 council areas, of which 2 are unitary authorities, until the 4 second-tier district councils are merged on the 1st of April 2023, after which the county will comprise 3 unitary authorities. Its county town is Taunton. Somerset is a rural county of rolling hills, the Blackdown Hills, Mendip Hills, Quantock Hills and Exmoor National Park, and large flat expanses of land including the Somerset Levels. There is evidence of human occupation from Paleolithic times and of subsequent settlement by the Celts, Romans and Anglo-Saxons. The county played a significant part in Alfred the Great's rise to power and later the English Civil War and the Monmouth Rebellion. The city of Bath is famous for its Georgian architecture and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Much of the landscape of Somerset falls into types determined by the underlying geology. These landscapes are the limestone karst and lias of the north, the clay vales and wetlands of the center, the oolites of the east and south, and the Devonian sandstone of the west. The river Brew in an artificial channel draining farmland near Glastonbury. To the northeast of the Somerset Levels, the Mendip Hills are moderately high limestone hills. The central and western Mendip Hills was designated an area of outstanding natural beauty in 1972 and covers 198 km2. The main habitat on these hills is calcareous grassland, with some arable agriculture. To the southwest of the Somerset Levels are the Quantock Hills, which was England's first area of outstanding natural beauty designated in 1956, which is covered in heathland, oak woodlands, ancient parklands with plantations of conifer and covers 99 square kilometers. The Somerset coalfield is part of a larger coalfield which stretches into Gloucestershire. To the north of the Mendip Hills is the Chew Valley and to the south, on the clay substrate, are broad valleys which support dairy farming and drain into the Somerset Levels. There is an extensive network of caves, including Wookey Hole, underground rivers, and gorges, including the Cheddar Gorge and Eber Gorge. The county has many rivers, including the Axe, Brew, Kerry, Parrot, Sheppey, Tone and Yeo. These both feed and drain the flat levels and moors of mid and west Somerset. In the north of the county the River Chew flows into the Bristol Avon. The Parrot is tidal almost to Langport, where there is evidence of 2 Roman wharfs. At the same site during the reign of King Charles I, river tolls were levied on boats to pay for the maintenance of the bridge. Keep watching and let me know if you want more video like